Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to send money from Paysafecard to Revolut. This is really easy. The first step we need to do is we need to go to Revolut app right here, and right here we're gonna see uh, this this part of the app. We're gonna enter our code right here, okay? And once we enter our code, this screen will appear, and right here we're gonna add money. We're gonna add money to our funds, our account, sorry. And right here we're gonna click this button right here, add money. And then right here you're gonna see this screen right here. In this screen we're gonna select, or we're gonna type our amount, the amount we want to fund in this account. And right here we're gonna uh, select our payment method. Okay, in this case we need to pay with Paysafecard. We do that clicking this button right here, and we're gonna click this one right here called card security. We're gonna click this, and right here we're gonna add all the information of Paysafecard right here. And it's really easy. Once you do that, you need to click this button right here, add money securely, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.